Hey, it's Jade here, and I'm so excited to welcome you to the CashWave Strategy Vault. This isn't just another affiliate series with half-baked ideas or filler content. What you're about to discover is the real deal. The Strategy Vault is a game changer. It's packed with real programs, real strategies, and real results. Every tool and system in here has been tested, proven, and used by me and thousands of CashWave subscribers just like you. You're officially stepping into a world where the guessing stops and the building begins. Now, this is video 1 in an 18-part series that's designed to be your personal roadmap to affiliate success. We're going to take a deep dive into the toolkits and programs that power the vault, and by the time we're done, you'll have a structured, step-by-step system that you can plug into immediately. It's all about sustainable, scalable income, and this setup has helped so many people, including me, completely transform their lives. If that sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, you're in the right place. And trust me, by the end of this series, you're going to see why the vault wasn't just built for creators like you, it was built with creators like you. All right, so what exactly is this series? Think of it as your master plan. Throughout these 18 videos, we're going to break down 7 core toolkits that form the foundation of the CashWave affiliate system. Each toolkit contains game-changing programs like Tube Mastery, which teaches you how to build faceless YouTube channels that generate income without stepping in front of the camera. Then there's System.io, the ultimate sales funnel builder for automating email flows that actually sell. And of course, Go High Level, my go-to platform for turning simple affiliate campaigns into automated profit machines. Here's what's great about these toolkits. They're not just random tools pulled together. They've been carefully built and refined based on real questions from our community. People like you asked, what programs actually work? How can I use what Craig and other successful affiliates are using? And how do I avoid wasting time on things that don't deliver results? The answer? The CashWave Vault. This system was designed to give you everything you need while cutting out all the distractions that hold most people back. And here's the thing, you don't need to master all 7 toolkits to succeed. You just need to pick the one that aligns with your goals, follow the steps, and get to work. When I first started affiliate marketing, I was completely lost. I thought I could figure it all out on my own, and for a while, I tried. I signed up for random programs, experimented with tools I didn't entirely understand, and threw together campaigns that never really worked. It was frustrating, overwhelming, and honestly, I felt stuck. Every time I thought I was making progress, I'd hit a wall. I didn't have a system. I didn't know what tools to trust, and the more I tried to piece things together, the more it felt like I was spinning my wheels with nowhere to go. The turning point came when I found Tube Mastery. That single program showed me how to create faceless YouTube channels that actually attract viewers and generate revenue. I remember publishing my first DIY tutorial video and seeing my first commission come through just days later. It wasn't a huge amount, but it was enough to prove that this worked. From there, I layered on System.io to automate my email sequences and create a seamless flow from prospect to sale. And when I added Go High Level, that's when things really started to take off. Suddenly, I wasn't just making random commissions here and there. I was building something consistent, something I could grow. Week by week, I watched my numbers climb. And for the first time, I felt clear and confident about the direction I was headed. That's why we built the Vault, to make this process easier and faster for people like you. You don't have to guess anymore. You just have to start. But don't just take it from me. Real people are already using these toolkits, and their stories speak volumes about what's possible when you plug into this system. Take Sarah M. from Phoenix, Arizona. She started with the Creator Toolkit, uploaded just 3 faceless YouTube videos using the step-by-step process, and messaged us 10 days later with her first commission. She said, "I can't believe this worked. I've never even shown my face." Then there's Julian R. from Brooklyn, New York. He used the Evergreen Toolkit with Go High Level to set up a single email flow. Within 2 weeks, he'd made $482. Here's what Julian had to say. "I've been trying affiliate marketing for years. This toolkit finally connected the dots." And finally, Danielle H. from Boston used System.io through the Evergreen Toolkit to simplify her affiliate campaigns. Her message hit home for us. She wrote, "It took me from overwhelmed to organized. I earned my first $600 in just 3 weeks." These aren't professional marketers or influencers. They're everyday people who decided to stop guessing and start following a system that works. Every single video in this series is laser-focused on a specific toolkit in the vault. We'll break down the programs inside, show you exactly how they work, and give you the steps to start using them. For example, in video 2, we'll explore the Creator Toolkit, which features Tube Mastery and tools like Tube Magic for creating faceless YouTube channels. We'll show you how to automate your video creation and start pulling in income without being on camera. Later on, we'll look at the Evergreen Toolkit, which is built around Systeme.io. You'll learn how to manage your email automation, design high-converting funnels, and create campaigns that run on autopilot. By the end of the series, you'll know exactly how to build a sustainable, scalable affiliate business. You'll have a clear, actionable plan to follow. And the best part? You'll finally have the confidence that comes with knowing you're using a proven system that delivers real results. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What toolkit are you most excited to explore? Are you here to build faceless YouTube income, simplify your email marketing, or maybe get into crypto with the Crypto Safety Starter Kit? Drop a comment below and tell me where you're starting and what you want to achieve. Oh, and one more thing. Once you make your first sale, I want to hear about it. This community is built on celebrating every win, no matter how big or small. Your success story could inspire someone else to take that first step. Before we wrap up, don't forget that every video in this series comes with a free download. These kits are completely free, but the bonuses, templates, and exclusive masterclass access, those unlock only when you use the specific links listed below. These aren't just random affiliate links. They're direct partnerships we've built with programs like Tube Mastery, Systeme.io, and Go High Level. These links don't just give you access. They unlock exclusive features, content, and discounts you won't get anywhere else. The vault is officially open, and this is your invitation to step inside. No more guesswork, no more frustration. Just a proven system, powerful programs, and a clear path to success. In the next video, we'll kick things off with the Creator Toolkit, breaking down how to use Tube Mastery to generate consistent YouTube income, even if you've never recorded a single video before. If you're ready to get started, grab your first toolkit using the links below. Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. This is CashWave. This is your system. Welcome to the vault.